Yeah, hi guys. How the continuous integration and continuous deployment code are basically working in a real projects. Let's discuss in just 30 seconds. For performing the continuous integration and continuous deployment process, if suppose the developers are write any particular code or developers are did any particular changes in the code, after that when the developers are push that particular code to our source code repository, that is GitHub. After that, if the webhook is enabled, then the continuous integration process will be enabled and it is basically executing. So if you whatever the tool we are basically using, Jenkins, Azure, GitHub Actions, or Azure DevOps, that the continuous integration process start executing. After that, the artifacts are basically generated. That artifacts are basically the Docker images are there. The Docker images are basically stored inside our S3, Nexus, or JFrog, whatever the artifact storage we are basically using. After that, for the continuous deployment process, if you are using the Jenkins, we have Jenkins agent. If we are using Azure DevOps, we have the ADO agents. So with the help of that, we can able to perform the deployment. So whatever the deployment strategy we are using, if we are deploying inside the EC2, ECS, or the Kubernetes cluster, it is basically deploying inside that particular environment, whatever we are selected.